When working with metal sheets, precision and smoothness are essential, especially after drilling holes. Drilling often leaves behind sharp edges, burrs, and irregularities that not only affect the appearance of your project, but can also lead to safety hazards and functional issues. This is where Carbide Burr tools excel, offering a reliable and efficient solution for cleaning up the edges of drilled holes. Carbide burrs are rotary cutting tools crafted from tungsten carbide, a material renowned for its exceptional hardness and durability. Unlike traditional steel tools, carbide burrs retain their sharpness even after extended use, making them ideal for working with tough metals like steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and even cast iron. Their robust construction means they can withstand high-speed operations without losing their cutting edge or becoming damaged. The effectiveness of carbide burrs in cleaning up drilled holes begins with their unique design. These tools come in various shapes, such as cylindrical, ball, oval, and flame, which allows them to reach into tight spaces and conform to the contours of the hole. The cutting flutes on a carbide burr are engineered to efficiently remove material, quickly shaving off burrs and smoothing jagged edges left behind by the drill bit. As the burr rotates at high speed, it grinds away imperfections, leaving a clean, even edge that is both aesthetically pleasing and safe to handle. Using a carbide burr is straightforward. Once the hole is drilled, the burr is attached to a rotary tool, such as a die grinder or a high-speed drill. With a gentle touch, the user guides the rotating burr along the inner edge of the hole. The carbide's sharp, precise cutting action removes any protruding metal, eliminating sharpness and producing a chamfered or rounded edge if desired. This not only enhances the look of the finished work, but also prevents potential injuries caused by sharp burrs. Furthermore, smoothing the hole's edge can reduce stress concentrations, minimizing the risk of cracks or fatigue in the metal around the hole, which is particularly important in structural or load-bearing applications. Another advantage of carbide burrs is their versatility. Whether you're working with thin sheet metal or thicker plates, these tools can be used effectively. They're also suitable for a variety of metals, from soft aluminum to hard stainless steel. This adaptability makes carbide burrs a must-have in any metalworking toolkit, whether for industrial manufacturing, automotive repair, custom fabrication, or even jewelry making. The superior cutting ability of carbide burrs also translates into time savings. Traditional methods of deburring and cleaning up holes, such as using files, sandpaper, or abrasive stones, can be labor-intensive and inconsistent. In contrast, carbide burrs complete the task swiftly and efficiently, providing uniform results every time. This efficiency is especially valuable when dealing with multiple holes or large-scale projects, where consistency and speed are paramount. In summary, carbide burr tools are the perfect choice for cleaning up the edges of drilled holes in metal sheets. Their unrivaled hardness, sharpness, and precision make them effective at removing burrs and smoothing rough edges. By ensuring clean, safe, and professional-looking holes, carbide burrs help elevate the quality of your metalworking projects while saving you time and effort. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a hobbyist, incorporating carbide burrs into your workflow is a smart investment in both safety and craftsmanship.